Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As you can see guys, Bitcoin looks like doing the unthinkable, but before this actually takes place, this unthinkable scenario takes place, first we have to overcome some of the most important resistance which is still holding us below 100,000. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. The price of Bitcoin looks like breaking out and also looks like it might break out of this 99,000, but we want to be sure because in a bigger picture we know we have formed a shooting star or reversal pattern. That's why we are going to be careful, but as of now everything looks good. Price of Bitcoin here is following this falling wedge pattern, a bullish continuation pattern. And when we were breaking out of this upper trend line, I was very clear with you guys, in the medium short term we might see a rally, a relief rally around 99,000, but the actual breakout or actual continuation is only after flipping that into support. Only after flipping 99,000 into proper support, we know this is an actual continuation, just like as shown here in an example, a bullish continuation pattern which easily bring the price of Bitcoin to make a new all-time high. But if we fail to do that, if the price of Bitcoin fails to break out of this 99,000 resistance line, despite this being a bullish continuation pattern, it could still fake out. After a bullish move around 99,000, the price of Bitcoin could be showing a move like this, a false break to the upside, and right after that, a move towards 85,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. In the medium short term, things are looking interesting. The price has also broken out of this basis line, which in the past price action rejected us. But now, if you look at it carefully, you can see it does looks like we might test the resistance around the upper band as well. So if that happens, if the price breaks out of 100,000, tests the upper band, then this is also a confirmation that the upcoming days for Bitcoin is going to be bullish. Yes, guys, breaking out of 100,000, flipping that into support means the upcoming days for Bitcoin is going to be bullish, because in that case, we are also going to test the resistance from this upper band, which sits around 101, 102,000. And we know upper band from this Bollinger Band only gets tested during uptrend. You can see we tested the resistance from the upper band, which later on resulted in a bullish move. So each and every time whenever the upper band got tested, the price has resulted in some very bullish moves. So for us, 100,000 resistance must be broken. And not just only that, even with the help of this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. According to our indicator, you can see Bitcoin found support at the lower band and also formed a bullish continuation pattern type of formation, a double bottom type of formation. So if we can overcome the resistance 100,000, you can see we will be also breaking out from the neckline. Yes, guys, this double bottom neckline will be broken, and breaking out of this neckline means the upcoming days for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish. So that's why even according to this double bottom pattern, you can see breaking out of upper band is very important, which sits around 99,000. And we are also aware, as soon as that resistance gets broken, price parallelly will also break above this up CPI line. Yes, guys, for now, since we are above central CPI line, there is a very high probability of price testing this up CPI line, which is around 99,500, or let's say 100,000, in between that range. But actual bullish continuation is only expected after finding or flipping 99,000 into proper support. Yes, according to our leading indicator as well, as soon as the price flips this 99 to 100,000 into proper support, upcoming target for Bitcoin actually looks very bullish. Yes, guys, for the month of January, our first target sits around 104,000, second target sits around 115,000, and the no-brainer target is around $121,900. So if we want to see an actual continuation like this playing out, the price must break the resistance around 99,000, because doing that parallelly will also make the price of Bitcoin very bullish, because in that case you will see we are going to break out of this volume traded area. Around 99 to 95,000, you can see we had a lot of activity around that area. So once we overcome this resistance, you can see we have a free run to the upside. So even according to this volume profile, since we have very low activity around this area, Once we flip 100,000 into proper support, there is a very high probability of price showing a move here like this, because in that case, we are also going to invalidate this bearish continuation pattern known as rising wedge. Rising wedge is a bearish continuation pattern. So to invalidate this bearish continuation pattern, we just need to flip the 99,000 into proper support. And to the downside, you can see RSI has also jumped over 50, and at the same time, this MACD has started to form a bullish cross. So despite the bullish cross in MACD, despite RSI jumping over 50, I still want you guys to be careful. Wait until this 99,000 resistance gets broken before jumping into any trade. Otherwise, this bullish continuation could still fake out. I mean, after testing the resistance from this up CPI line, right? Very bigger pullback. I mean, a pullback around the first bearish target for the month of January around 86,000 and even up to 80,000. We have been very clear about that. So it is very important for us to flip 99,000 into proper support, because by doing that parallelly, you can see not just only this rising wedge will get invalidated, ascending channel, rising channel, or bear flag formation will also get invalidated. Parallelly, this distribution schematic from Wyckoff event and phases will get invalidated, because we are going to form a new higher high, right? Higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation will be on the line, invalidating this bearish continuation to the downside like this. Oh, you can see, even though Bitcoin now looks bullish, we still need to break out a certain line of resistance to call it an actual bullish continuation. Otherwise, this bearish continuation pattern will still be on the line, because in a monthly time frame, I talked about this, right? This here is a shooting star, and shooting star is a reversal candlestick pattern that forms during uptrend and also shows a sign of reversal. So just like I shown you an example, after a bullish move forming a shooting star, a downtrend follows after that. So in our case, this monthly candle was a shooting star, but now despite this being a shooting star, you can see for the month of January, we are seeing a very bullish candle. So again, guys, flipping 99,000 into proper support means this bearish candle shooting star for now will be ignored, and price is expected to show a continuation here in this manner. So for all this bullish continuation pattern to play out, we have to overcome the resistance which we have around 99 to 100,000. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.